Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. In this video, I want to discuss about CCIE. What is CCIE? CCIE stands for Cisco Certified Internet Expert. This is the highest professional level certification provided by Cisco System, the world's leading information technology and networking company. CCIE tests professional skills in designing, implementing, managing, and maintaining complex computer networks with Cisco technology. This certification requires an in-depth understanding of IP networking, including switching, routing, and security technologies. CCIE certification consists of several specializations such as CCIE routing and switching, CCIE security, CCIE collaboration, CCIE data center, and others. Each specialization has its own requirements and exams, but all candidates have to pass the CCIE written exam first and then take the CCIE lab exam, which is considered the top challenge. Next, CCIE exam requirements. CCIE exam requirements depend on the specialization taken, but in general, to earn CCIE certification, candidates must meet the following requirements. The first possess lower Cisco certification such as CCNA and CCNP. Next, deep understanding of network technologies and concepts. Then, experience in designing, implementing, and managing networks with Cisco technology. Next, have strong troubleshooting skills. Have good English skills because the CCIE exam is conducted in English. Next, study and prepare intensively for the CCIE written exam and CCIE lab exam. For the CCIE written exam, candidates must register and pass a written exam that covers material and network technology concepts. After passing the written exam, candidates must register for and pass the CCIE lab exam, which required candidates to complete a series of practical tests on complex network. The CCIE lab exam is held at Cisco exam centers located in various countries around the world. It was explained earlier that before the CCIE exam, you must first have CCNP and CCNA certification. What is CCNA and CCNP? CCNA stands for Cisco Certified Network Associate. It is a networking certification provided by Cisco System, a global technology company that provides network solutions for business and organization. This CCNA certification is designed to test basic knowledge and skills in designing, installing, operating, and maintaining network based on Cisco technology. This certification can help individuals acquire the skills needed to become skilled networkers and can enhance their career opportunities in networking and information technology. Preparing myself. Study the material tested in the CCNA certification and make sure you have the necessary knowledge and skills. You can learn it independently or through training programs provided by Cisco or other authorized training institutions. Next, register for the exam. You must register for the CCNA certification exam administered by Pearson VUE, the Cisco partner company that provide the exam services. You can register and pay for exams via the Pearson VUE website. Then prepare for exams. Make sure you prepare well for exams, including by studying the material, attending training, and doing practice questions. Next, take the exams. When it's day, make sure you arrive on time, bring valid ID, and follow the instruction given by the exam supervisor. The CCNA certification exam consists of multiple answer quizzes and practical simulation quizzes that require troubleshooting networks. Then get a certificate. If you pass the exam, you will be awarded a CCNA certificate by Cisco Systems. These certificates demonstrate that you have basic knowledge and skill in Cisco network and technologies. Don't forget that CCNA certification have expiration dates. So you will need to take a renewal exam or other certification exam to renew or upgrade your certification after a certain amount of time. The cost of taking a CCNA certification can vary depending on factors such as geographic location, currency, type of exam, and exam service provider. However, However, in general, the cost of taking a CCNA certification is approximately 300 to 500 United States dollar. This fee can be higher or lower depending on the country and test provider. Then there is also CCNP certification. What is CCNP? CCNP stands for Cisco Certified Network for Professional. It is a networking certification provided by Cisco Systems, a global technology company that provides network solutions for business and organization. This CCNP certification is designed to test advanced knowledge and skills than the CCNA certification in designing, installing, operating and maintaining network based on Cisco technology. CCNP certification consists of several specialization pathways, namely the enterprise, security, data center, service provider, collaboration, and DevNet pathways. Each specialization track has different requirements and exams according to the focus. CCNP certification can help individuals improve their skills in networking and information technology and enhance their career opportunities in the networking and information technology field. To get CCNP certification, here are the steps you can take. Number one, prepare yourself. Make sure you have the necessary knowledge and skill for the CCNP specialization that you wish to take. Study the exam material to be tested and make sure you understand the associated concepts, technologies, and best practice. Sign up for the Cisco website. Create an account on the Cisco website to access information about the CCNP certification, including requirements, fees, and exam schedules. Number three, choose a specialization path. Choose a CCNP specialization pathway that matches your interests and career goals. CCNP specialization pathways include enterprise, security, data center, service provider, collaboration, and DevNet. Number 4. Study and practice. Study and practice the exam material to be tested by following a training program provided by Cisco and other authorized training institutions. To practice question and exam simulation to prepare yourself. Number 5. Register for the exam. Register for the CCNP certification exam through the website of Prison VUE, a Cisco partner company that provides the exam service. Make sure you pay the inspection fee and choose the appropriate inspection schedules. Number 6. Take the exam. Take the CCNP certification exam on the date and time you have specified. Make sure you arrive on time, bring valid ID, and follow the instructions given by the exam supervisor. And the last, get a certificate. If you pass the exam, you will be awarded a CCNP certificate by Cisco Systems. These certificates demonstrate that you have knowledge and skills in advanced Cisco networking and technologies. Keep in mind that CCNP certification have an expiration date, so you will need to take a renewal exam or other certification exam to renew or upgrade your certification after a certain amount of time. The cost of obtaining a CCNP certification can vary depending on factors such as geographic location, currency, specialization, pathway, cousin, and exam service provider. In general, the cost of taking the CCNP exam is around 400 to 500 United States dollars. Next, CCIE pass requirements. The requirements for passing the CCIE exam depend on the specialization taken, but in general, candidates must meet the following requirements to earn the CCIE certification. Number 1. Pass the CCIE written exam. Candidates must pass a written exam that covers material and network technology concepts. Number 2. Number 2. Sorry. Pass the CCIE lab exam. Candidates must complete a series of practical tests on complex network. This exam is conducted at Cisco exam centers located in various countries around the world. Candidates must complete this practical test within 8 hours, and this assessment will be assessed by Cisco experts. Number 3. Meet all specialization requirements. Each CCIE specialization has certain requirements that candidates must meet. These requirements may include work experience, previous certification, and certain training or courses. Number 4. Study and prepare intensively. Candidates must study and prepare intensively for the CCIE written exam and CCIE lab exam. This includes study of relevant material, practical training, and experience in designing, implementing, and managing network with Cisco technology. If the candidate meets all the above requirements and passes the CCIE written exam and CCIE lab exam, then he or she will be awarded the CCIE certification by Cisco. After obtaining this certification, a CCIE must maintain the certification by renewing the certification every 2 years and or by taking certain training and exams. Next, CCIE exam fee. The cost of the CCIE exam depends on the exam specialization and location. In general, the CCIE exam fee consists of two parts: the written exam fee and the practical exam fee. The CCIE written exam costs around 450 United States dollar per registration, and the CCIE practical exam is around 1,600 United States dollar, depending on the exam specialization and location. However, this fee may vary depending on the venue and currency in which the exam is being taken. In addition to exam costs, candidates must also consider the cost of travel, accommodation, and training required to prepare properly. Keep in mind that this fee only includes exam fees, and candidates shall also consider costs to prepare properly, such as buying books, taking training courses, and purchasing networking equipment needed to study materials and practical exercises. Then, CCIE benefits. There are several benefits if we get a CCIE certificate, including number one, industry recognition. CCIE certification is widely recognized around the world as the highest certification in the networking industry. Having this certification can help network professionals gain greater recognition and reputation within the industry. Number two, enhanced skills. The CCIE exam helps network professionals improve their technical and problem solving skills, as well as deepen their understanding of network technologies and more complex networking concepts. Number three, better career opportunities. Having CCIE certification can help network professionals increase their career opportunities, especially for positions that require strong technical skills and expertise in designing, implementing, and managing networks. Number four, increased credibility. Network professional who hold CCIE certification tend to be more credible to their clients, coworkers, and superiors, as this certification demonstrates that they have high technical expertise and strong problem solving skills, and less wider professional network. Earning a CCIE certification can help network professionals expand their professional network and connect with network experts around the world through online forums, even and industry gatherings. Overall, CCIE certification can help network professionals improve their skills and enhance their career opportunities and broaden their professional network, as well as provide industry recognition and greater credibility. Next, about what material is studied. CCIE certification covers various network specialties such as routing and switching, security, collaboration, data center, wireless, and service provider. However, in general, there are several topics that are generally studied in the CCIE exam, namely the first, network architecture and technology. Understanding of network architecture, protocols, and technology such as OSPF, BGP, MLBS, MPLS, VLAN, IP version 4 or version 6, etc. Next, network design. Ability to design, implement, and maintain complex networks. Number 3, network operation and troubleshooting. Ability to operate and troubleshoot networks efficiently and effectively. Number 4, network security. Understanding of network security and security technologies such as VPN, firewall, IPS, IDS, etc. Number 5, server technology. Understanding of server technology and related technologies such as virtualization, cloud computing, and storage. Number 6, wireless technology. Understanding of wireless technologies such as VLAN, VAP, etc. And the last, cloud technology. Understanding of cloud computing technology and related technologies such as virtualization and cloud application. In addition, the CCIE exam also includes questions on project management, communication, and leadership skills. Because the exam is so difficult and comprehensive, CCIE aspirants need to study broad and in-depth material and practice intensively to master the skills needed to pass the exams. Next, where are the exams? The CCIE exam can be taken at present VUE exam counters around the world. Present VUE is a provider of exam services for many technology vendors, including Cisco. CCIE candidates can search for the nearest task center and register for the exam on the present VUE website. In addition, the CCIE exam can also be taken online through the remote exam service provided by Person VUE. This allows CCIE candidates to take the exam from any location with a stable and secure internet connection. However, it should be noted that the CCIE exam consists of two parts, the written exam and the practical exam. The written exam can be taken at the test center or online, while the practical exam is only available at the test center. Therefore, if wishing to take a practice exam, CCIE candidates must travel to an available test center to take a practice exam. Next, where is the training? CCIE training is available at many technology training institutes and education institutions around the world. Cisco itself has an official training program for preparation for the CCIE exam called the Cisco Learning Network. The CCIE Cisco Learning Network training program provides a variety of training options, including online training, live virtual classes, and on-site training. Apart from that, there are also independent training providers who offer CCIE training. Some examples of well-known independent training institutions include Global Knowledge, INE, and IPE Expert. CCIE candidates can also choose to prepare independently using books, training video, and other training materials available online or at your nearest technology bookstore. Before choosing a training institute or training program, be sure to check the reputation of the training provider and choose one that suits your needs and time availability. In addition, ensure that the training meets the requirements of the CCIE certification and prepares you well for the CCIE exam. The cost is around 7 million. Next, how much is the training fee? CCIE training costs can vary depending on the training service provider and the country where you are taking the training. CCIE training costs tend to be higher than training costs for later Cisco certification, such as the CCNA or CCNP. Because CCIE training offers a higher level of knowledge and skills needed to become a networking expert. In general, CCIE training costs from a few thousand to tens of thousands of dollars, depending on the training provider and the length of the training. Some Cisco training providers offer intensive training programs of several weeks or even months, which may require higher training costs. In addition to the cost of the training, you should also consider the cost of exams, the cost of books and course materials, and the cost of transportation or accommodation if you have to travel to take the training. Therefore, before deciding to take up CCIE training, make sure you plan your budget carefully and consider all the costs associated with the process of getting a CCIE certification. And last, what is the CCIE lab topology? The CCIE topology lab consists of a suite of hardware and software that is structured to reflect a complex network environment. This lab's topology covers a variety of network technologies and protocols, including routing and switching, security, VoIP, and cloud-related services. The CCIE lab topology consists of multiple network hardware devices arranged in such a way as to reflect a complex network envi- environment. Some of the hardware devices that are usually used in the CCIE lab topology are routers, switches, firewalls, servers, IP phones, and other network devices. In addition, the CCIE lab topology also requires software for network simulation. The CCIE lab topology consists of several different network segments, including the core network, distribution network, access network, and network segment related to specific technologies such as 5 and security. The CCIE lab topology also covers several complex network technologies and protocols, including BGP, OSPF, MPLS, VLAN, STP, VPN, and more. CCIE aspirants must have a good understanding of CCIE lab topology and be able to design, implement, and manage complex networks spanning multiple network technologies and protocol. In addition, candidates must also be skilled in troubleshooting and troubleshooting complex, complex CCIE lab topologies. Okay, thank you. Sorry if there are still many shortcomings and mistakes in delivery. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.